Hi, today I would like to show you how you can earn $500 per month from free logo designs. No skills required, pure passive income. Yes, this is the method that I want to show in this video. That will be a very interesting method. Just don't worry, you do not need to be a designer, you do not need to be a professional graphics designer or graphics artist or anything like that. You simply follow this video and you will see how easy it is to design logos and sell it without any marketing. You do not have to promote anything. That's the very important thing about this strategy. So without wasting any of your time, I'm going to show you two marketplace where you're going to sell your designs. So simply I'm going to show you the first website. As you may already know, this is Invector.com. This is Invector.com. Yes, really, this is a really popular site. You already heard about. If you are in this field, you can just simply go to Invector.com and you can see that they have a huge amount of graphics collections, templates, web templates, scripts, anything in this web design web arena. They have that, and you can buy that from Invector.com. So simply we are going to use this top tier marketplace to sell our logos. So simply this has the Invector has already a built-in customer, so you do not need to worry about marketing. So simply if you just if you just simply go over to their graphics sections, and you can see that they have graphics, print, web elements, add-ons, and as well as they have logos. So simply these are the logos. You can pick anything you like. You can browse through their categories and see how people are uploading or selling their logos, and you can see these are the logos that people are selling in this website. So if you just don't worry, it will be a really good, awesome way. You spend some time and you can make similar type of logos without any hassle. So if you just stick with me, I'm going to show you the second marketplace where you can sell your logos as well. And you can see that all the logos, you can see they have price like $30, $20, $28, and around like that. So the second website, which is already awesome for us for this video, and which is called creativemarket.com. Yes, this is creativemarket.com, is a really awesome site. I'm going to show you how this site. You do not need to worry about any marketing. You simply this site already has built-in customers, and they already auto promote your contents to the public, and you will get promotions. And simply all you have to do is just concentrate on your designs, concentrate on upload your quantity and quality, then you are good to go. My friends also earning a good amount of money from creative markets. My friend work in graphics field, and he earning a decent amount of money, and he told me this method, that you do not need to have a graphics skills to earn money from this. So simply you can just upload lots of logos. You simply edit it and upload it. So how we are going to do that? So before I show you the process, creative markets, if you just go over to their font sections, and you can see they have a browse by style, and where you can see logos. So if you click on that, it will load the logos that are currently listed on creativemarket.com. So simply you can watch this, you can get an idea how what type of logos people are making for this website. So simply you just, if you want to work, if you want to upload your contents, you simply sign up there and then click on open a shop. That will open this page and turn your creative passions into opportunities. So click on open a shop, give it a name, and then boom, you just start uploading your logos out there. And you simply you do not have to worry about any marketing. You simply upload lots of logos daily. That's the main goal. Quantity, you have to make it, unique, and you have to submit it. That's it. You do not have to worry about your anything, any marketing or anything like that. So how we are going to build that logos, or how we can create that logos? That's simple. We are going to use Canva. Yes, this is the perfect and the number one site right now to edit graphics online. So this is really cool site. There you do not have to be a professional graphics editor. You do not need to learn any professional editing software like Photoshop or anything, Adobe Illustrator or anything like that. So simply you just go over to Canva, and you can see they have lots of templates out there. You can see they have a logo template as well. So simply if you just scroll through their template sections and click on logos, you can see that hundreds and thousands of logos are already there for you. But simply this is not the way. You just simply cannot copy it and sell it like that. It's just a sample templates. You have to edit it. So it's that simple. You just select any logo designs you want, simply or click it. It will load into your editors like this. This is the logo template that already listed in Canva. So simply you just click it, and you can change the logos, but I recommend you change the whole things. When you designing a logo, you think it as a keyword, as a niche. So when people, logos is what that company is all about. You have to think about like that. If it's a real estate company, then your logo must contain some building or homes type images or graphics. If there is in a college, schools, it will represents that. And you have to just think like some couple of minutes, you will find out some good words, and simply you just search it on their graphic sections out there, and you will see lots of related graphics out there which are really free to use. You simply combine some graphics elements all together in one logo design. That's the main catch. And if you are short of illustrations, if you just do not find the contents you want, find the graphics you want, you simply go over to Pixabay. Yes, this is the another really great sites to have lots of graphics and illustrations like this. You simply search your content and you will get one, and simply you can edit, and you can take any content and you can use any part of it like this. You just know, if you have these contents, and you can simply copy and crop any part of it, and you can use that content to your logo designs work. So this is how you just simply combine it. When you are done with your logo designs, add text like this. You can say various type of fonts out there. When you are satisfied with your designs, you simply click on download, and it will get downloaded to your computer, and then simply go over to creativemarket.com and upload it to your shop, and that's it. Set and forget. You simply work daily, spend some hours, make some logos out there. So this is a business. This is something you have to work. If you do not have a graphic design skills, that's okay, but you can do this. You simply search some contents and combine those graphics, change the colors, and also get some contents or graphics from Pixabay and combine it all together into your one logo. Then that logo will be a unique and copyrighted for you, to you, and this is the thing you can sell online. So why not try that? This is the opportunity. People are making money. $500 is just the minimum. I just said it. You can earn much more, thousands of dollars. It's possible to earn. People are earning money. My friend just got 52 logos and he's making like $500 per month. So opportunity is limitless. You can make hundreds of logos from Canva and upload it to creative markets and sell it like crazy. So why not try that? Just right now jump back in and start earning a decent amount of money right now. So if you're liking this method, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. New video are going to be uploaded daily. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.